For almost 2 decades, the Zooter scooter has owned the reputation for the top adult scooter for urban transportation. Zooter now introduces its 4th generation scooter, the best kick scooter ever. Let's start with the biggest innovation, our patent-pending quick-click latch. When we created the Zooter scooter, we needed a reliable and foolproof way to lock the scooter in the riding position and to allow it to fold. We went with a highly proven but low-tech solution, a locking pin. But in 2016, we became sick and tired of the pins and we put our minds to create the best scooter latch ever. The seemingly small detail was a vexing engineering challenge. 2 PhD mechanical engineers, and many months later, we're excited now to introduce the 4th generation of Zooter kick scooter with the quick-click latch. With a single touch of your thumb, you can quickly unfold and fold the Zooter scooter, and with some practice, you'll get good at it, folding and unfolding it with your foot. Now let's circle back on what makes the Zooter scooter what Wired magazine declared its first-class kick scooter. It starts with the wheels. Our wheels are so fast we've literally had people ask if we've invented anti-gravity. We like to say anti-friction. Don't take our word for it. A few years ago, the U.S. National Soapbox Derby organization adopted Zooter scooter wheels for all teams competing in the National Speed Championship. Next is the industrial design that recently earned our partner, San Francisco-based Lunar Design, the Copper Hewitt National Design Award for Excellence. In fact, the Zooter scooter design is so distinguished, it was one of just 3 products Steve Jobs kept in his office. Zooter scooters are essentially indestructible. In today's world of disposable products, we stand by the Zooter for as long as we're around, and that's now 2 decades and counting.
So first of all, it comes like this. This is, comes off this. So you need to actually use the tools provided and use the screws and the tools. So I'll show you. And then you want to place the handlebars into this. So I want to have the handles facing the front like this. So you have this bit front and you have all the controls facing you. That's that way. This is the light. So now that's there, and that's how I want to secure it. You can see there are 2 holes here, and the opposite side is exactly the same on the back here. Inside this box here, there is a bag of tools. You have lots of different keys and screws. So you want to take the key that fits the screw, and you want to place it. I'm just going to show you on this side. And the last one. So here is your accelerator on the right. And here is your brake on the left, and it has the word brake written on it. And here you have a bell. So to turn it on, you want to press the power button for a few seconds. You hear it beep and you see the LED display come on. So also when you're using it and you want to be safe, you can put the light on using this control up here. You just press this button. You have reflective lights here, reflective stickers here and here. So, and also if I just pull on the brake, there is a brake light, as you can see. So really someone can see you braking, and it's super, super safe. So after a day of using the scooter and you're ready to charge it at home, you simply put the power bank together, and you can see on here,